Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in health insurance technology with Oscar Health step by step clearly. Begin by researching Oscar Health. Visit their official website to understand their mission and services. Explore the health insurance technology sector. Identify the role of technology in transforming health insurance. Create a list of Oscar Health's primary offerings and innovations. Register for a free account on their website for access to exclusive resources. Review their investor relations page for financial reports and updates. Analyze Oscar Health's market position against competitors. Study their recent partnerships and collaborations within the industry. Attend webinars or virtual events hosted by Oscar Health to gain insights. Follow relevant news articles and press releases about Oscar Health's advancements. Engage with financial analysts or investment platforms discussing Oscar Health. Consider reaching out to current investors or industry experts for advice. Evaluate how Oscar Health's technology impacts user experience and satisfaction. Investigate potential risks associated with investing in health insurance technology. Create an investment strategy based on your research and risk tolerance. Determine the best method for purchasing shares in Oscar Health. Monitor market trends that could affect the health insurance sector. Keep track of Oscar Health's financial health through quarterly earnings updates. Prepare to adapt your strategy based on market changes in company performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.